Hello everyone, I'm a little sheep. This video will share this hydrangea with you. How to purchase flower burst blankets. What about the hydrangea carpet? Body of the blanket. And the crochet method of this leaf. And the crocheting method of the flower burst blanket is exactly the same. So how does the subject and the leaf hook? Let's watch the previous video tutorial. Lily of the Valley bursting blanket, video tutorial 1 and video tutorial 2. Just go and hook it up. What's next? What's next? Let me tell you how to crochet this hydrangea. When everyone hooks this flower, be sure to find the front. Right here is the front, see clearly. And then here is the reverse side. The needle method is different, pay attention to it. So I'm using two colors here. This one is pink in size 09. Light pink in size 09, and then in the middle, you need to increase one here, dark brown powder in size 10. Look at this hook flower here 123. 45 just go and hook it up in these 5 holes. So here's the line. One light pink and one brown pink to crochet like this. Find this location. In the first hole, the needle goes in here. Then take out the thread that needs the hook. Just leave a little bit of line in the back. Leave a little like this. Okay, keep winding. Bring the wire. After bringing the line, then we erect a standing needle. A standing needle is not a needle comb. Put this thread on top of this one and turn. Then press it away. Okay, let's add meat in this hole. Winding tape, come on, there are 2 coils on the crochet. The wire is then wound through a coil. This is a short needle. After crochet. Then we have another 2 braid needles. 1. Hydrangea. Take this line a little bit and tighten it a little bit. Okay, after the 2 braid needles are erected, then we go around. 2 laps of the line, 1 or 2 is good. Still in this hole. Repeat to crochet 4 long needles. Remember to press the thread all the time. Press 2 sets well. Then the line. After going around twice, everyone pay attention. After the thread is wound twice, it goes in. It goes in. Then the thread is wound like this from under the crochet. Bring the line out. Straighten it. There are 4 coils on the crochet. Then wind the wire. Exit the first 2. Winding and exiting the last 2. And then we wind it out of the last 2 coils. It's good to wrap a long needle like this. After a long needle is hooked. And then repeat the crochet. Let's wrap the wire twice. Still in this hole, keep an eye out. Then the line. First time going around under the crochet like this. Bring the line out. There are 4 coils on the crochet. Winding to exit the first 2. Winding and exiting the last 2. Wrap the wire again and exit the last 2. Okay, this is the second long needle. Repeat this. For long needles crocheted inside the hole, turn the wire twice and continue. Or put a needle in this hole. Winding strips out of 4 coils. Winding to exit the first 2. Winding and exiting the last 2. Winding and exiting the last 2 are good. The third long needle comes again and continues to wrap the thread twice. Still in this hole. Go crochet first. Long needle with 4 coils. 2 coils, 2 coils coming out. Look at 4 long needles after crocheting. Then followed by another 2 braid stitches. 2, after the 2 braid needles are erected. And then again in this hole. Or put a needle in this hole. Hook a short needle. Winding strips out of 2 coils. The winding is taken at one time. That's a set. Next, continue in the same way. You crochet this in every hole. In the next hole. Don't miss it, okay? Similarly, press this thread on the back. Down. To wind the wire, the tape comes out, crochet on 2 coils. The winding is well worn at one time. Hook a short needle first. 2 braid needles after crocheting. 1. 2 after the 2 braid needles stand up, wind the thread twice in 1. The second best is still in this hole. Hook for long needles. Go crochet and turn. 2 coils. Return of 2 coils. Good one too. Then wind the wire twice. Continue in this hole. Go hook the second long needle. For coils with wires coming out, it is also 2 coils and 2 coils respectively. Return it and turn. Okay, add the second long needle and continue winding twice. Or put a needle in this hole. 4 coils. 2 coils. Return of 2 coils. Okay, the third long needle comes again and continues to wrap twice. Hook the fourth one. 1, 2, 3 retractions of the coil 3 times to return it intact. After 4 long needles are hooked. Same with the other 2 braid needles. 1, 2. After the 2 braids are sorted out, go back to this hole and hook a short needle. Winding tape out. The wire is then wound through the 2 coils. So the second petal is crocheted. Everyone's rule is 1 short needle and 2 braids. Then hook for long needles in the same stitch. After 4 long needles are hooked, they are on the same needle again. Oh, for long needles and 2 braids after knitting. Then hook a short needle in the same needle mesh. This completes a set. And what about this thread at the back? After we press 2 stitches, we can choose not to press. Cut this thread next to it. Be careful when cutting the thread. To cut it off. Okay, let's move on. Repeat to tick these 5 groups. Okay, next title. The next motivation. Let's go to the next one, this motivation. Hook a short needle first. Okay, after crocheting the short stitches, stand up 2 braid stitches. 1. Or hail winding twice. Then hook for long needles in this hole. Bring the line out. Then separate the 2 coils. The retreat of the 2 coils pulls it out. Here's another one, 2 loops. Continue the same dynamic. For coils on the crochet. Then 2 coils. Return the 2 coils. The second long needle comes again and continues. Up. And then the third long needle comes and goes around twice. Same needle. Bring the line out. The 4 coils are 2 of 2 coils respectively. Take it out. Good looking 4 long needles after crocheting. 2 braid needles. 1 too good. Then crochet a short needle in this hole. Good to see the third group completed. What about the last 2 groups? Everybody does it the same way. Repeat, I'm ticking faster here. Okay, the last group is here. Continue or follow the previous method. 1 short needle and 2 braids. For long needles, you crochet it. The third long needle. Okay, then wind the wire twice. The last one, power to crochet a long needle. Let's pay attention to the last hole. After crocheting 4 long needles, and then we set up 2 braid needles. 1, 2. Okay, then let's close the mouth here. Come to the last hole. Let's put him in like this. After the needle is in, turn this over and look at it. After turning over, put the first coil you started to hook. Give it to him. Insert the needle from the outside to the inside. Flip it over and take a look. Is it clear to insert the needle from the outside to the inside? So you do it from the outside in. Insert the needle like this. Let me tell you again. There are 2 braids standing here and throwing them away. Insert the needle like this in the last hole. Then turn this over. After turning it over, everyone pay attention to this. Turn this over for it too. from the outside to the inside. The first motivation goes into the needle like this. Okay, insert the needle and then wind the thread. Bring the line out. After the thread comes out, hook a short needle. After crocheting the short stitches, then our flower takes shape. After crocheting the short stitches, find it here next to it. We started hooking this place for the first short needle. These 2 braid stitches go in. Look at this needle touch next to the first group here. You stick it in. Okay, hook a pull wire. Bring in the thread out and crochet 2 coils on it. And then go through the back coil. Then pull it tight. After lifting and tightening, lock a needle to break the thread. Leave a little bit of thread here. You can put on the stitches. Okay, pull it out, pull this on. After tightening, take out our suture needle. Okay, go like this under here to hide the thread from it. Come on, put it in first. Okay, after wearing it, then we, according to this texture, to hide it in this flower petal. Okay, let's tighten it up. Okay, after tightening, cut it out. Let's take a look at this flower. Go and tidy it up for him like this. It will be fuller after sorting it out. Come and see. So one of our hydrangeas is crocheted. Then everyone follows in the same way. 1 light and 1 dark. 1 light and 1 dark. So to hook it up, it will be beautiful. Did you learn? If you learn it, let's do it together.